Muted. Sorry. Hello. I'm here now. I just washed my hair. You can't tell. That's why it's so shiny up here and so wet down here. I'm in a weird mood. Zion Bear, why? Thank you. I know. I'm getting a haircut next Tuesday. I didn't write it down. I'll just rewind it. You want me to just rewind it? I just go back? It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. It goes back to the, not the previous one in a queue, but like, wait a minute. Yeah, it doesn't work like that. Let's do this. Doesn't. Oh, because I used Spot. I messed it up. Because I didn't use the one you said to use. How long does it take my hair to dry? It depends on the time of year. Let's see. Sometimes it takes, well, the other day I was surprised that I had driven an hour and it was still wet. That's surprising. That's uncommon. It normally takes about like 15 minutes. It dries pretty fast. So it's not too bad. Or maybe 20. I don't even know. Make a smile for me? Wait a minute. Is that a chauvinist comment? That's not right. I know, I'm just kidding, Mad Stork. That's a joke. Goofy! Goofy! Let's do this. Let's just put it on the queue. Add it to queue. Add to queue. Hopefully that works. What if I just do this? There we go. That works. All right, fixed it. Fixed it, fixed it, fixed it. Okay, I'll listen. Hey, Jackson. How you doing? Hey, Faffin. Have you ever gotten your hair cut pretty short and they use Oh, yeah. Hey, Blind Pog. How you doing? What is up? Alan, yes, I have gotten my hair cut pretty short and I used way too much shampoo. Who is they? Oh, and then I was like, who washes your hair, Alan? Do you have someone wash your hair every day? Like, is that, that's what I thought it was. Blind Pog, talk about yourself. You're new. Oh, mention. You're not new. It was just a mention. I thought you were new. I don't know. Now it doesn't make any sense. I feel like you're not new. You know what I need? You smell? Someone should wash my hair. I smell. Did you just make me say that on camera so you could clip it? I just washed my hair, I swear. I'm a clean person when I want to be. Clipped, rip. Nice. So I tried to be sort of clean faced today. This is me without makeup, y'all. I just did my nose because I'm very self-conscious about my nose. There is actually like a stream when I talk so much about my nose, everybody's like, shut up. Because it's red. It just gets so red. It's like, but the rest of it is pretty, I'm pretty like fresh faced right now. Doing late night work. ADD will let me get anything done. So Blind Pog, okay, let's talk about this for a second. Algo, hey babe. Well, Sloppy, can we please get Algo an auto shout out? Yes, you can borrow my nose. What will you do with it? Sniff the flowers, smell the roses. Okay, that's my fancy one. Alan, you got your auto shower, right? Biggest thing I remember about the long-haired days is going to bars. And having, yeah, it never worked, Alan. It never gets it out. Piling. I don't know if I know you very well because we just know each other on the internets, but I think you're a gorgeous person, and I don't think anybody, not a nose, nothing, can. I like the song a lot. I like it a lot. No, no, it's good. It's calm. It's chill. It lets me think. Like this is a good working song for me. I get you jerk. You're such a jerk. Oh, that's funny. Um, I know. Got him. All right, y'all. So I have a question because apparently I'm back in high school when I didn't know how to pronounce my T's. Question. I have a question. My dinner is gorgeous sometimes. That's fair. My dinner is sometimes not gorgeous. I made tortellini the other night with olive and bacon. I'm trying to eat more veggies, like less. I'm trying to eat more vegetarian, but I still like every once in a while will eat something meaty, and that was really good. But it didn't look like it was going to be good. It also smelled too heavily of sherry. I didn't smell too heavily of sherry. The food did. That was not. I was not drinking alcohol. But anyway, I was wondering, I could continue on the app today, or we could take a break and play a game. I'm just gonna play Bladro. I haven't played in a bit. It's fun though. It's poker, except it's not. Mm-hmm. That's the whole thing, Faffin. Oh, Pi. You know what? Why don't we start? Why don't we start with the app? Because I kind of want to see where I am with it and where I need to go next. We'll just do like a roundup, and then if we're like bored of that, we'll do a game or something. I don't know. I'm just feeling like frisky tonight. Like maybe I should just sit in the tub. I'm kind of leaning towards playing a game, but that's because I was thinking about going to bed at a certain point. But I would also I'd also do the app. I'm cool with either. Like with clothed. Make a game? Someday. Someday. Load up on FPS and own the noobs. Ooh. Yeah, play some COD. Yeah. Or like let's go old school and play Halo 1. It does, but I'm not even sure I could hook it up. I don't think I have Halo 1 on anything. Halo 3 would be fun. No song found. Baffin. You gotta do Spotify, sorry, bud. But I can if you get the name of the song, I'll put it on for you. Didn't know you were an FPS player. I am not good. But I think it's fun. For a while, I did get kind of good at, and I don't mean pro level good, but I did get kind of good at Halo headshots because you have to after a while. Um, and then and Call of Duty, I love like 3 round bursts. And no, yeah, yeah. Oh, it's been so long. I haven't played in so long. And I like Rainbow Six. Rainbow Six is super fun. There are so many. I feel like I should play more FPS, but I just never do. Turtle and a half shell, turtle power. I'm what? You didn't know Halo had multiplayer for a year? That's funny. Did you find all the skulls? Dude, I miss the old days. Ugh, when games didn't look like they were like in real life. When the graphics were low and you didn't care. All you cared about was a little spawn camping and having someone there who was a little more newbie than yourself. Launching yourself. Yeah, right? Amen. Hey, Dremoto. All right, let me stop being a just chatting streamer. That was the most advertising drink I've ever taken. I might as well have said like Hello Fresh on here or something. Okay. Hey, what's up, Dremoto? Okay. All right. All right, let's do this. Let's do this. File. I'm going to close VS Code because we don't do that anymore. Oh, that's adorable. Algo, that's cute. Wait, so Algo, if you're tired, why are you not sleeping, babe? What's going on? You should be sleeping. Why are you staying up for me? Oh, right, because it's not like not. I always forget what time it is there. I have an announcement to make. My nose is itchy. That's the first announcement. The second announcement is I will be the beginning of a Women's Guild Pi Day raid. What is this? Oh my God, Benson. Oh my God, was Grey Hatter really streaming? Grey Hatter, did you speak? Did you talk on stream? Oh my gosh, how did I miss that? Oh, you're trolling me. Okay. Was he really? Hold on, I need to look at this. I need to actually look at this. Let's see. Grey Hatter account. Let's look at this nonsense. Last stream. Oh my gosh, look at this. You guys, you know what you have to do, right? We got to create some follow bots. I got to learn how to follow bot so that I can I can spam. I'm just kidding. I don't want to do that. Look at this craziness. Look at this. I can't believe it. Extroverted, introvert. That's introverted, introverted. No, you don't. I know you don't lie, Benson. Not unless it's like for a good reason. Hey, Gandarsa. Yeah, you look. They look good on you. I wonder if we all did a one party raid, if the Twitch algorithm would advertise. Jackson, I gotta be doing something first. If we're gonna do this, I feel like that doesn't make sense, right? I feel like that wouldn't work, but still. All right, let's figure out where we are with this project, and then maybe we'll play a game. Maybe we'll hit up one of those. Maybe I'll show you guys how good I am at. Actually, I probably haven't done it in so long that I'm bad at. Finish your sentences, Dr. Mario. Some pew pew. That sounds awesome. I kind of want to do some pew pew. Pew pew. All right, so we got to figure out where we are with this. We've got our, let's open terminal in WSL. I try not to. Plus 10 pi points. Mm-hmm. Thank you. If only if it was the if only it was the UX. It's just the prototype. Yeah, Piling taught me how to do this. Why not normal Linux? Because then I have to like reformat my whole computer. And video games run better on Windows. And so does OBS. So I don't wanna. Ooh, what's good news? Did you finish your project? Did you start your project? Add it up to here. All right. I just installed Linux on my Windows machine and haven't been back to Windows in a couple of weeks. You can too. I use VMs. Isn't it WSL? Well, no, I guess it's not. Well, it's kind of. It's like a virtual environment, right? It's like a mix between. Yeah. She's not wrong, y'all. Well, I don't know. It doesn't have the same. Oh, it's a VM running on a Linux kernel? Okay, I'll take it. But it doesn't have the same updates and stuff, right? So I gotta update it. Should I WSL update? I probably should. I could use my server actually. All right, let's just do what she does. Oh, I see. That's interesting. Hyper-V, right. I remember this Hyper-V. We talked about this Hyper-V before. Every time I feel like I'm getting better at programming, someone reminds me of a word I've forgotten 100% about, and I'm like, oh, right, that. Every damn time, which is good. I shouldn't get cocky. All right, let's do the thing. I know, Alan. I'm just teasing. I'm just kidding. It has absolutely nothing to do with programming, Gray. Nothing. You doing that? Wait, piling. Do you want me to? Because I will. I 100% will. I'm gonna. I loved this movie when I was a kid. Loved it. Not that it came out when I was a kid. Not that I'm that old. What are you talking about? Oh my god, she's so old. She's so old. Okay, so we're gonna go into Twitch app, and then what's after that? Then we want to go into Tricky, and then after Tricky, we wanna. Okay. I just want to start the app, so I need to do Python manage. I think I gotta go into tasks first, and then I can do Python manage.py. Nope, that's wrong. I have to do the virtual environment. I thought there was something about Linux machines and virtual environments that meant that I didn't have to start them. Am I remembering? What am I like? There is some sort of parallel to what I'm saying that I remember from like months ago. Okay, maybe it's crazy, but like I feel like there is a thing. Yeah, me too, Faffin. I just had like an update that really messed up OBS, but I don't know what. You reinstalled in Windows? Jeez. You doing that thing you do, breaking my heart into a million pieces, like you always do. And you don't mean to be cruel. Never even knew about the I've been going through to forget you, girl, but it's just so hard to do. Every time you do that thing you do, I know all Yeah, I was something like that, Zion. Wait to let you know that you'll be mine someday. To be happy, can't you see? If you only let me be the one to hold you and keep you here with me. To forget you, girl. Every time you do that thing you do, I don't ask a lot, girl, but I know one thing's for sure. It's the love I haven't got, girl. I just can't take it anymore. I get it, Piling. Grey Hatter, do you get it? I get it. We could be happy, can't you see? What Piling said. To hold you and keep you here with me. But it drives me so just to see you go around with someone new. Thing you do. I get it. You get it. We get it. Something about Piling's joke. Gotta read the. Jasmine's just putting her tail in my face. I am a little bit of a cat. I don't really get it. Oh. Oh, that? Hold on. No, ever. Cats are people too. I don't ask a lot, girl, but I know one thing's for sure. It's the love I haven't got, girl. I forgot how I did this. I don't think it's this one. Shit, I don't remember my password at all. Uh-oh. No. Damn it. I don't remember. Oh, wait a minute. I don't know. Oh, good. I'm already logged in here. That could be good. I'll cheat the system that way. I wonder if I can change my password. Ooh, let's do that. Can I? No. Staff status. I'm staff. Anybody? If CM Griffin were here, he would get it. Chorus Piling. Anything for you. Ah! Where is my password? I can't set it here. Where does it live? Hashed somewhere. Hashed somewhere far, far away. I don't even know if I hash it. I don't think I hash it. Maybe I do. All right. So now I just want to look up. All right. So what was my endpoint? I built an endpoint for, not for admin, for task list. Oh yeah, that's right. Task list. And tags, I think. Tags. Or did I just do tag? Let's see. Tags. Did I not? I know I added the mode tags. Is it tag list? No, it's tag slash. Maybe there just isn't one right now. Tag. No, there are 2 tags. So why couldn't I just call one? Why did it get mad at me like that? Tag list got an unexpected keyword argument primary key. What is this porn? This is porn music. Like 1980s. Good nights. Wait, my OPSEC is dead? Shit. What happened? Damn it. Where? Oh, okay. Love in an elevator? All right, I'll do that one now. Oh, yeah, I don't know. All right. Right. All right, so I have tags, but this isn't working for some reason. And it's getting an unexpected primary key argument. So let's look at the code and see what's going on, because I feel like I gotta open, I have the server running here, so. Because we all saw it without the primary key, right? ID1, ID2. But we're not able to call it by the primary key, so it must be written incorrectly. So we gotta go open terminal again and then WSL. Again. Game? What's everybody doing tonight? How's everyone's mood? Thanks for the follow. I think I missed you, Verstenchev? Sorry about that. Okay, Fafin. 5-hour energy withdrawals? Zion, well, why don't you like rest? Why are you like up watching a Chrissy stream? I mean, that's the wrong question to ask. I get why you're here. But a month of travel or a month of being away is what you said. So who knows if that's travel or what it is, but it seems like a lot. I would love it though. I want to go adventure. This shirt's from Hawaii. That's how much I want to travel. I'm wearing it on my shirt. Okay, so I need to figure out what's going on. So we're going to open this. I don't think it's a big deal. I think we'll be able to fix it. That's funny. I can't even see it. It's behind my screen. Okay. Oh, I'll go. Yeah, but you go to Disney with me, right? I mean, you're not 100% sick of travel. That'd be a really fun streamer trip. I know. I feel like drove tons. Oh, work ship. Sorry. Either. Ooh, should we do like a, all right, if we do a like, if we do like a JellyCon, I feel like JellyCon could be at Disney, but that's expensive. I'd rather do it like at Hershey Park. You would also go to Stella. You would also go to Disney, Nana Banana? I feel like JellyCon at Disney would be so fun. And we would make hats out of jellyfish and it would be so much fun. We'd have matching hats or something. I don't know. Or jellyfish pins. I don't know. I feel like Disney's expensive for JellyCon though. Oh, so you get those passes, Nana. That's cool. That's cool. That would be a good time. Would you guys really? I never believe this. I feel like if I actually set up a JellyCon, like 2 people would come. Oh yeah, a random sandy beach? Yes, and I would just lay there. I would be a beach jelly. I would love that. We all know like the beach is my spirit environment. Random sandy beaches are fine with me. If we're on the ocean, I would come. Me too. An aquarium? How about you go to Monterey? But who wants to go to California? Who wants to go to California? Maybe Disney. I've never been to LA. I've never been to Anaheim. Are they the same place? Is dirty. I like San Diego a lot, but it's expensive. We could do JellyCon at San Diego before TwitchCon. Pre-con JellyCon. And you mean that in the nicest way? All right, let's go. We're not seeding into anything. WSL. I don't like this song. I don't know why I put it on. Because Piling said something about an elevator. That's why. It's not your fault per se. It's just that I thought of it and I was like, oh, let's do that. And I'm like, I don't really like this song. See, I just like narrated the last 5 minutes for you. I hope you appreciate that. Okay, tasks. And then I want to open. This is tag list. Okay, I'm trying to remember. Did I write I think I wrote the tag endpoint in the task list. Yeah, I did. It's in here. So I'm going to say serializer. It would be in URLs. And it would be in serializer? Let me just open serializer. Oh, man. Oh, good. I have my vimrc or a vimrc or something. A NeoVim config. Oh, I opened it in Vim, but I didn't open it in NeoVim. But I still have config? Does the NeoVim config fit with the Vim config? Icky states. Blame it on the alcohol. Woo! Watch stream. Watch streak. What? I can't talk. I feel like I have an algo watch streak, but I didn't. Hey, dude, man, what's up? How's it going? Okay, what are we doing today? We're trying to figure out why. Hold on. I don't think this is where I want to be. Let's look at this. It's not API, although I started the API thing because I was looking through some stuff. URLs. I don't think it's URLs. It's views. That's what okay. This is it. So what's wrong with my tag list? tag list is request, format, method tag, objects all. And then here's the primary key one. So I've got tag detail. I need a request, a primary key, and no format. I get the primary key equals primary key. This should work. Oh, but do I not? Yeah, this is right. But it's not even returning the exception. It's just saying tag serializer return. Do you guys need to see bigger? I feel like this is not big. So hold on. There we go. Sorry about that. Help me solve this problem because I don't want to sit with this problem all day. So we've got, so this is wrong, first of all, right? Now it's fine. But I feel like that tag delete too needs a primary key actually, doesn't it? Why don't these have primary keys? This feels weird to me. It feels like you should have a primary key when you delete something. But I guess you're defining the tag. Oh, no, you're defining the tag. That's fine. I got it. I also have a task in there. Oh, I do. You're right. You're right. But this is still put. It's not a get request, so it still shouldn't be an issue. All right, let's see. Why not use WSL Vim? Because I am NeoVim. I don't know why. Whatever. It's the same. I'm not doing anything special in NeoVim. I don't have any issues. iDoors everywhere. Might not go backwards. Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, good to know. But it's not defined a defined variable anywhere. Task is not. That's true. So it might just interrupt it. But there's no elif. Yeah, but there's no, like, it would oh, I see. I see. But even so, this should be tag. And should it be lowercase tag? Let's see. I think so. Why is this capitalized? Lowercase. Shouldn't it be lowercase? Whatever. Maybe it's not case sensitive. Why don't I use Z? I'm gonna slouch a little bit, so I'm tipping my camera down. Okay. So the next, so we fixed that, right? And we fixed the second tag. And we fixed that tag. This should be fine. So let's see if we can quit this. No. Escape. It should reload in my other terminal. Not that one, silly goose. It is reloading. Try it again. Unexpected, got an unexpected keyword argument in tag list. This is not in tag detail. So it must be a different endpoint. I think I'm messing up the endpoint. So I got to open URL. All right, let's open the URLs. That's the problem. Tag, no, it's not. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Do you see the issue? Can you spot the issue? Can you spot the issue? I can. All right. So what I want to do, mpiling, can you help me with this a little bit? So what I want to do is in 9, so I'm going to go 9J. So now I'm on the 9th line. I want to search. Wait, so it's %S No, not insert. Escape. So I want to do /%s. And then I want to do tag list. Nope, that's not what I wanted to do. I must have been. So /tag list. And I want to replace it with tag detail. If I just press enter, it should work, right? No, it hates me. Darn it. I forgot how to do this. I got to practice. Oh, say want to do first. What I would like to do is go to line 10 and look for tag list and replace it with tag detail. $%s /tag _list. 2 slashes. Oh no, not that. Oh, that's cool. Whoa, tag detail, but it's doing it the whole thing now. I don't want it to do it the whole thing. I only wanted to do it on line 9. So I'm messing something up. What each letter does. So / why I'm adding letters? That's not a letter. Yeah, but I want to replace it, right? % is to search all. Right. Hold on, Zion Bear. Gray Hatter's trying to walk me through it so I learn. Chill your pants. Chill your Zion Bear pants. No. He's not asking. He's like, no, he and Piling like to help me with Vim. All right. % seems like it's, I don't even know what it is. You start with /. That's also not a letter. That's true. Okay. Search is I have 2 options. S is equal to single line. This line. Okay, hold on. This is search. Syntax. Select. So it means select. 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 Search and replace. I want to search and replace. Substitute. So if I do, no, not that. That just made me, if I just press S, it goes into insert mode. S. Insert mode. What is that? I got rid of my period. Gone. I shouldn't have done it that way. Hold on. Escape. Undo. Stag list. Okay. :S. :S is search. Then /. Now I'm on the wrong line. But I can do this on the line below, right? Oh, right. Substitute. What's colon? Command. On this line. Command. Yeah, I know that's, oh yeah, that makes sense, Skullmaker. That makes sense. Just do this command. Wait. Oh, just do this. Do the thing. All right. So do this substitute for tag list on this line, but I need to move it down a line. So I know I can do like hold on. I do down, hold on. Let me just move down. That's probably what would happen anyway. All right. I don't know how much more of this I can. Now I need a parentheses. That was easy. I don't think I do need to move it down a line. I think I could have done it within the thing. I don't know how. Sign Bear, did you leave? I didn't want you to stop. You can keep saying stuff. My ankle hurts. I'm sorry. Want to learn the faster way? Yes. I do. Always. Not really. I don't want to learn. Yes, I do, but also I don't. Go up a line now or later? Do I delete everything first or do I just go up a line? If I do this, that didn't work. Put the cursor in the middle of tag list. N? That's not right. Escape. N. That's wrong too. Escape. No, I forgot everything. There is an up. Hold on. Darn it. Now I'm all weird. All right, hold on. All right. Okay. Oh, yeah. No, my ankle isn't sore from the marathon. For some reason, it's just how I'm sitting. It just hurts. I have weird socks on. Don't judge me. They're like cozy socks because it's cold here. I've been really good at sitting straight up recently. Now change word, but you're in the middle of the word. So what you want to do, right? Change in word, but that's not the one I want to do. I want to do the next one. It's not the right one. So I don't want to do change in word here. I want to do it in the second one. Unless you're teaching me something else. That didn't feel faster. Oh, well, okay. I like this way better. Teaches me more shit. Sorry, excuse my language. So if I go here and I do change in word, but can I start here? No, it just deletes the whole thing. I don't want to do that. So the change in word will put me in insert mode. I just want to do this. Let me see if I can remember this. Oh yeah, of course. Here until right thing. All right, sweet. We'll go back to the start of the word, then delete the word. Oh. Should I just do it that way? I just wanted to try to do the command way instead of the inserting way. That's all. Should I not have been resistant? No, it's not faster, but it helps me practice things I can't do. So you think that hold on. Do you think that that change in word is a better way to go? I feel like I just want to like put it in my head. That way I've got it as a tool. Get my reps in. Yeah, exactly. All right. Okay. We're going to restart the app. Thank you, Grey Hatter. Next time I'm gonna try to do it with the CIW. I think. We'll see. Inserting and escaping. Yeah, I can dig that. I get what you're saying, but I never follow anybody's instructions. GG tag list and CIW tag detail. Okay, cool. Okay, got you. Gone to the top, search for tag list. Pressed enter and then N until I got to the one I wanted, then changed in Word, written tag detail, and then escape. All right. Then you could use dot. Oh, okay. All right, I dig it. I dig it. All right. Let's see if this worked. Ta-da! Okay, so now I've got task detail and tag detail. Not at all. I don't remember what dot does at all. You had 2 thumbs. I'm sure I heard it's like riding a bicycle. I've never heard that actually. I want more tea. True that, Josh. Hold on. Can I wait? Can I just wait? I'm sure I'm going to hit so many times to do this again. Maybe I'm not, but Josh, did your sound not go off? No, it did. I feel like it did. I just didn't say hi. Something's wrong? What's wrong here? What's wrong? Oh, I remember Zanga. I think. Maybe not. I think my first bit of code was writing in MySpace. But I didn't know that's what it was doing. Oh, I'm supposed to be elated using change in Word. I think I've learned it before. But I think you're right. I think I should be more excited. Well, we'll see. What I found is the more I do a thing wrong, the more I understand why people, not wrong, but like the hard way, the more I understand why people need an easier way. And then I'm like, oh, this is why that thing is cool. And then I use the thing. So I guess it's really just me not being frustrated enough yet with search replace. And I'll be like, there should be an easier thing for this. And you guys will be like, you can just use change in Word. I'll be like, oh yeah, right. We learned that like a year ago. All right, anyway, so what do I need? Let me just, okay, I need all of the people who have ever agreed to help me think about what to do next, i.e. Benson, Alan, I think has, maybe you haven't, Alan. I'm just making you. I'll go, where's Mario? Mario would be so ashamed of me. Okay. And then Eagle style of Vimfu. Master it first if you wish. Oh. Mario's asleep. Boring. Okay. So what I need is to think about how I want to translate my API into these endpoints. So this is just a call. So this is a form, which I don't know how I'm gonna. Ah! You remember that eagle key we used to have? That was a lot of fun. I wonder what happened to it. And we had to guess like which key it was. That was so much fun. Hey, MMIVX, Mivix. I know we've done you remember how I thought that it was a Roman numeral? And I couldn't figure it out. Okay. If I need to sort of what is this? Separate concerns right now. So I know that my user interface for adding a task. No, I don't think so. You guys and your esoteric silliness. Greyhatter, we're doing some CSRF. I mean, it's there. It's not doing much though. Just stopping me from, I don't even know. I mean, not for real, yeah. Fair point. Okay. Sorry. Okay. You hate fun. I'm sorry. CSRF is one of the things that it's one of those like really annoying things that I would want to teach an early programmer just about like you're going to get to a point in your early programming career where you stumble upon CSRF because you think you can do something cool, but you can't. And then talk about it a little bit and be like, don't try to like understand any Stack Overflow about it until you actually start understanding what it is. Because it is like, on one hand, a very easy concept, and on the other hand, like, what is happening? Like, what is going on? Why? Okay. So if I was oh my God, please just focus, child. Okay. This is why I was going to play a game. This is just a post request. All I have to do is post this form to the API. So that's not a big issue. Then this one is a get. No, it's not. This is for important ones. So if important, it's here. Also, I need this submit button be here as well. And this is just the big list. So I have the API for this. So basically I have the API for each of these, I think. What's that? Marcos, thank you for the follow. Oh, and Nas. Question of the day. You do it. Do it up. Breathe. Okay. How you doing, Marcos? And Josh, you can post the question of the day. So tired. Okay. Hello. Okay, so we have the endpoint for this. We're gonna do this last. We need this. This is just user interface. It doesn't do a ton. This is something we do not have an endpoint for, but this will be front end. And I think I can primarily keep it front end. Then when we start the task, the timer and the stopwatch can also be front end. They don't have to be back end. They shouldn't be, actually. But this is a put request. It's an update. It's an update. So this is going to go into the how long it took. I think I have everything I need. I do not think I need anything else. Is that insane? I mean, for this, I do. This is a big deal. Like when I aggregate things, that's going to be a different thing. And maybe I need to think about my aggregation. Huh? What would you tell your younger self about? Wait, you didn't say the thing for me to pin. I'm hurt. Heard I tell you. 100 milliseconds to update the timer. This option is better than Figma or just this sketch. Oh man, I just don't want to learn Figma yet. Hold on. Let me pin Josh's question. Josh always has a question of the day. What would you tell yourself about programming software dev? I'd tell myself web dev is dumb. Stick with graphics. Ooh, good question. Ooh, that is a good question. I really like that question of the day. Oh no, what thing to pin? I don't understand. I don't understand what's happening. You raiders, I don't get it. Okay. So take a breath. I'm missing things, I think. Maybe not. I mean, like, none of this really has like a state, right? Like, none of it really does. Pin it forever. Oh, I see. Am I looking for a mistake? I'm just looking for a next step. That's all. I'm trying to think of how to organize my brain. YAML is good structured data language if you're ever looking for something to compare JSON to, in which JSON comes out on top. Oh, really? That's interesting. I didn't think JSON was like full Turing compatible or whatever you call it. Oh, thank you, Fido LinkedIn. Hiling taught me to do it. Josh, I absolutely would not tell myself to not be a developer. I think what I'd say is like keep programming, like build some apps and stuff. I think what I would, no, that's a lie. I think what I would say to myself is no. Let's see. What would I say to myself? That's a really interesting question. Turing complete, that's it. But they're both ways to represent structured data, and they're both pretty awful. Yeah, it sounds pretty messy. I would say to myself to focus on UX UI. I think I'd be a UX designer, but not just for programming, like also for like products and stuff. I think it's cool. I think like thinking about accessibility is really fun. And I like the problems you have to solve. I like the problems you have to solve. Hey Loki, how you doing? All right. So the only like why don't we build this as a feature? Like let's try to make this all come through with my API first. What am I missing? What's the gap? Nothing. If I try to start to do this, let's just try it. Let's just do a thing. And we're just going to start it with simple HTML and CSS, I think. Nothing like big or scary. We're just going to do something very simple. Yes, I have heard of Matplotlib. No, I don't think so. Yeah. Okay. Let's just start. I know this stuff isn't like whatever, who cares? I love it. I could give. So there's a thing I can do. Oh my God, Squad Supreme. No, I don't want to create fancy graphs now. Absolutely not. I feel like this is not a good look for me. That's okay. I don't want to create fancy graphs now, no. No, thank you. For NeoVim or Vim or whatever, let's say I wanted to, God damn it. It should just work, right? What are you thinking? What are you thinking about? No, it should still, but it's not. If it's a locally hosted, I can just do that. But then what's gonna, browser should, right? I don't know. All right. So IDEs like VS Code and things, if you make an HTML file, it will populate it with like all the doc stuff and like the beginning, like the main items, or should I just like should I just write it in myself? I feel like it can. I feel like there's got to be that sort of in-up. What is it called? Plugin. Thank you. Hiling, what I want to do is have when I create an HTML file, just have it populate the basic elements of an HTML file. I was writing it on myself too. Thanks for the follow, Peter Schwing. What? Hello? What is up? Hello, everybody. Who is this? Hello, Madison. How are you? Look at you. You look like you rock. Hold on, let's see. Let's see who this is. Madison, you got any cool clips you want me to share? Like ones you want me to like... I want to find out who this is. Madison, please introduce yourself. Hello. Your second raid? Holy crap, you must be awesome. You have 1 billion million followers. I mean, for your second raid, like, dude, that's insane. That's amazing. Congratulations.
Jasmine Drive by Timing Hug.
I know, she's awful, isn't she? Hang out and hum. I'm teasing you, girl.
And I see them post it. I still have not left a mean comment. You know, it just blows my mind.
I want to see what it is that you're working on.
Oh, here are the
learning more computer science.
Awesome. Do a full stack developer, learn DevOps. Okay. Sorry, you said you just wrote do a full stack developer. Do you mean become a full stack developer? Or are you like looking for your next relationship? What does that mean?
Do a full stack developer? That's hilarious. That's very cute. I'm sorry, I shouldn't say cute. It's very cool. Cool. I'm insanely complimentary to like everybody. So I'll call like the craziest people. I apologize for saying that. Okay, cute's fine. Okay, sorry, but I didn't want to, you know what I mean. Jasmine is loving me right now. This is my cat, Jasmine, everybody. She's not, she's like the star of the stream. I'm building a short app right now. And the app is like a task management app because I have ADHD and I'm trying to trick myself to do things. I know she's definitely a weird dog. So I'm trying to trick myself to do things by using this like randomizer so that when I have energy to do something, I have a task and it'll just fill in. Madison, hell yeah. Thank you so much for the follow and thank you for the raid. You rock. I cannot wait. I will follow you back. Please, let's check out Madison, y'all. I'll see you soon, probably. I am so sure. Yes, creating an app to make you do things, 100%. Yes. And so, basically, I'm at the point right now where I'm starting to do the, front end-ish because I have an API and I can show you really quickly. It's not a big deal. It's just a couple of models and a serializer and it's done in Django, which is Python. So let me just show you really quickly while Jasmine sticks her tail in my face that I have like some fake tasks that I put in, like read. The idea is so that I can get them to aggregate so I can see how often I do everyday tasks and how my accomplishments are adding up. Accomplishments are important everyday tasks. If they're important, they have like a little bit different behavior in the app because they're important. So how many boys are on the stream now? I don't know. Are we mostly like in the chat? I don't know. I don't care about gender or anything like that in my stream. Like, I mean, I friggin' love when there are women and non-binary here. Like, but if you're looking for like a date, I mean, I suppose I can find out who's single and hook you up. So now my sweetie pie, look at this. Look at this little one. She's so happy. Hello. I know, sweetheart. I know. Well, welcome in everybody. Thank you for coming in. Vim has a thing called skeletons. Okay, I'm also learning Vim sort of for the first time. So I'm trying to figure out how to create an HTML and have it populate. Okay, and Pyling is helping me. So Vim has a thing called skeletons. It's a template that will open whenever you make a certain file. Opens a copy of your skeleton. You want to learn how to make them on your own? Help. Oh, wait. Okay, so we're going to go. If I just say nvim and I don't, what was that? What's happening? Wait, something is happening. Is that the late rate? Did somebody bubbles? Oh, my hype train. I see. That's okay. I can handle that. Thanks for the 100 bits, Fafin, that contributed to 6% of hype train. I was like, why are the lights going off? Oh, okay. Because Fafin rocks. That's why. So I've got these bubbles, and then I have IRL bubbles, which I haven't checked today. Did anybody check it and see if it works? I'm going to check it right now. These are all things I built. I made those bubbles, I animated them, and these bubbles I made with an Arduino. And these are IRL bubbles, my faves. You can, if you stay long enough, you can make it rain in here. I also I also make my own emotes and stuff. So just introducing myself. Okay, now I can't see chat because friggin' everything's in the way. Oh my god, move! They shouldn't do this to streamers, I don't think. They like put stuff in our face and then we're unable to like minimize it. Maybe if I just, I'm just gonna do this. Let's see if that gets rid of it. It does not. It's just looking for channel emotes now. Okay. ABI compatible? What's that mean? Do I just open NVIM by itself? So I'm just gonna open, oh, hello. Type help. H help, and then I do, okay. Did I build that model in the background? I did. I built this, yes. I built it all. I do all the things. I even have my own server that I run the vibrator on. So there's a vibes. Oh, that? No, I didn't. I did not. That's not my thing. I can build like a friend's Lego though, if you want me to. Yeah, so I've got a vibrator. So if you do vibes and then you write a sentence, it will rate your vibes. And if you do vibrating, it will tell you how high up in the chat you are compared to everybody else, how good your vibes are. I'm 61 out of 71. Apparently my vibes are low. All right, so we want to open help and then we want to use skeletons. Is that going to work? Oh, that didn't work. Can I just do? Is this the giant thing? Vim tutor? Oh, cool. What? You guys didn't tell me about the Vim tutor. So what was Madison doing tonight, y'all? Can you tell them? I know they're gone, but well, okay. Well, now I remember. Or she's gone, or I'm not sure. I didn't check her their pronouns, so I don't know. I'm not sure. But I should do Vim tutor. I will. Learning C? Hell yeah. I love learning C until I get to a point where I'm like, okay, now I have to. I just tell you, okay, I'm okay with that. I like that. Kinak said she was doing CS50 and learning C. What's CS50, Fafin? Like a course? Is Pinak here? Pinak, are you here? Yeah, you are here. You've been here forever. You said that? Oh, yeah, there you go. I see you. VSC is 50. I see it. I see it. I see it. Django. Yeah. I think learning C is fun, but I also think building stuff is fun. So I don't know. I split my focus all the time. Chat gets really mad at me. Auto. Oh, wait. Okay. So the Vim helps as you can drop something like this in your .vimrc. Okay. So you're telling me that's how I drop it by saying auto. No, I need to open Vim first and then do auto command buff new file .html. Do I need to be in Vim? I know you didn't tell me to go into Vim, so, but I didn't feel like doing a colon command was the right thing to do in a WSL shell. Zion, sleep well. Why did I sound so like, sorry, I should get my radio voice on and then you can keep me on at night if you want to help you sleep. A low, calm voice. Let me know if I should. Yeah, it is good to see you, Zion Bear. Good fun. Piling, I'm not sure. Okay, gotcha. So if I do quit, and then I do nvim, I don't remember where I put this. Vimrc. I'm gonna tab. I don't think it's here. Oh, it is there. All right. And then you said drop in your Vim, put it into. So, oh, go to the bottom with G. Okay. Okay. Did you see what I did instead of this? That was funny. Okay, I'm at the bottom. I've made it to the bottom. And now what? Or don't insert it. Type that without. So you're saying type it. So nope, that didn't work. So what you meant was, I know, it's good fun. We're learning lots of them. So we're going to insert auto file star.html. All right. All right, so then if I do nvim and I create, say, or should I wait? I did it. Now should I test it or do I need to do something else? Did that really work? So, okay. More to that command. I saw auto cmd buff new file star.html or, oh, I didn't realize the or. I thought you were saying or. I see. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. I misunderstood. Sorry. So if I want to go to the end of this, there's a way to go to the end of the line. We practiced this last time. That's okay. Well, that's what I wanted to do, but at least it got me there. Or I don't copy paste because it doesn't help me learn as well. I mean, I do copy paste when I really feel like and you said replacing the .c with .html and even here. Okay. Let me make sure I've got it. Star, so I messed up the star there. So actually that's not right. So we're just gonna insert a star here. Star. Okay, awesome. All right, so we got the .html or Vim skeleton HTML. Hello, Amuga. How are you doing? Shift A, press A. That's a 0. I see. And not an O, right? It is not a 0. So why is it 0R? What does that mean? Zero R. Oh, it takes a little while, Amuka. It's like, it's just, I mean, I don't know what I'm doing either, but I just take it step by step. Now we need to make the Vim skeleton file, okay? And I just basically, so what I want to do is make this Vim skeleton file, and the Vim skeleton file is going to be the template that is used. And so this is the one where I want to, is that totally wrong? So if I do wait, I need an exclamation point. This is a really big assumption. Oh, put anything in here? Okay. Did I do that wrong? Is this wrong? Did I write this wrong? This doesn't feel wrong. Is it? How do I do the, is it, can't do it in here. How do I just, what's the short key for, doc type, sorry, that's what I was thinking. There we go. Right, test it out. Yeah, thank you. All right, good night, Random here. Thanks for hanging out. Appreciate you. Glad you hung out with us. Oomihu, thank you for the follow. Welcome on. All right, got itchy. A little bit itchy. Need to scratch. Okay. That didn't work. Do I need to restart anything? See if I put the skeleton in wrong. Auto command, buff new file, star.html, 0R. Aw. Why do you have an ad? You're subbed. You have a get. Y'all, Maddie's here. Maddie's in the house. That's fine, girl. Hello. Wait, what? Uh-oh. Server error. Whatever, follow Maddie right now. Maddie is the best. I don't know if Maddie can actually hear me because of ads. And Piling, I don't understand. Are you watching ads on purpose? Yes. I was thinking about you today. I wanted to yeah, I wanted to say, I guess so. I was thinking about you today. I was gonna say hi. Ask for a chat. Oh, Benson. Maddie didn't have any ads. But thank you for that. Cool. So let's look up. Can you believe I'm coding in Vim, Maddie? I feel like, did we talk about doing like a code stream and then never did it? I feel like I gotta work on that. I gotta fix that. I've been so busy. I've been doing so much. But let's catch up soon. You can absolutely see the bottom again. Big. I needed. Oh, really? I like it. So far it's good. NBD. I don't mind it. I can understand why people. Thanks. That's okay. That's all right. You have a wonderful night, and I appreciate you for coming to say hi. Save. Oh, it's already. Maddie doesn't love Vim. This is lies. It's not working. That's okay. Let's see. I made the Vim skeleton file. Let's just check that. No, that should work. Oh, okay. Hold on. Maybe it's like, I still don't think it would matter. It should still be focusing on it as a template, so it shouldn't matter what's in here. But it is like, do I have to start? Django is not my full stack. No. I would say it's, good night, Maddie. Okay. Buff new file. Maybe something's wrong here. Star.html 0R space home/.vim/skeleton. Maybe I spelled that wrong. .html. It's in .vim. I was just looking at that. It's definitely in .vim, not just Vim. We can look by like, isn't there the way to do the commands in here? It's like we can list the cool. Let's open up this SSH. JK. Undo. Yeah, it's right here. Skeleton. How do I get out of this? Can I just like, yeah. How do I switch? It should work. Do you think it's the auto command thing? I should have done with this. Try with regular Vim and put it in. Yeah, okay. I got you. That worked. Okay, so then the issue is that so the issue is that my vimrc is not configured with my NeoVim. That just doesn't seem right. Thanks, Priceless Talk. How you doing tonight? How are you doing tonight? I'm doing hot. How was it just sorry? My hair. Sometimes my hair is all itchy. That makes sense. That makes sense. That makes sense. All right. So if I do Vim 4, okay. All right. Don't use the framework. But what I want to do is organize my front end. So the way that I'm used to this, what is it? The file that's on the front end, is it like public normally? I can't remember what the shape of this usually is. I'm going to cheat and go to GitHub and think about it. So let's go ahead to Soapbox. Let's see, this is view, and I don't want to do this. My JSON file, public, not as an icon source. Oh, I see. Okay, so I'm going to do a source and then views. These are my components, I think. Yep. Oh man, I miss view a little bit. I haven't done it in a while. App.view. Look at my comment. We're going to commit anyway and love ourselves. What a nerd. Okay. Doors. Door. A router. Okay, remember this component. Assets. Interesting. Okay, assets. is where our CSS goes, or we can just put CSS. Where do people normally, what do you call your folder? Or, oh, I was single page applicationing this. I don't think I'm gonna do that here. I think I'm just gonna make it really boring. Okay, so we're gonna do a source folder. Can anybody help me with this? What's rough? I'm so tired. I hate my nursing job. Nursing sucks. I was only off today and I work Friday through Monday, 16 hours. Yikes, that's so hard. I used to do, thank you, it's late Chico. How are you doing? Okay. Sorry, I don't want to get too distracted. You know what? Let's just learn a thing. You know what, Chrissy? Sometimes it's okay to just learn a thing. All right, so file structure for basic front end. I don't know what HIMCore is. This is LinkedIn, dev community. HackerMoon. I feel like I don't know any of these. I like the word architecture. Let's follow that. What's this? Lion Puncher, thank you so much for the sub. Ugh, learning things. Pale Horse, I love learning things. I love being wrong. Stop, Hatter. I'm going to have, oh, well, maybe not. Actually, I don't think I need anything dynamic on this. I wouldn't mean stop in a mean way. Whatever. Girl wants to put JavaScript in her code. Let her put JavaScript in her code. Leave me alone. I'm not gonna write like, it's the HTML way to like call an API. We had this disagreement like 3 weeks ago. No, I don't want to use form. I guess I could. I don't know. I guess I should. Why not? I guess I could. I'll use form, I guess. Whatever. No, but that's not true, actually. There's not a 0% chance. But I should use form. Anyway, stop. No, I'm not gonna bet you. Lion Puncher, how are you doing? Good night. Have some sleep. Amuga, thank you for hanging out. No thanks. I will use form. I don't need to bet. I don't need you to like, no, it's okay. I also agree JS files are static, but I had this fight. We had this discussion. I'm not gonna bet him. It's ridiculous. I'll just do like a jQuery Ajax request. That was my argument. You can't just be like, yo. Because I likely will use form. Why would I take that bet? It's a silly bet. Anyway. Give me a better bet. Maybe don't bet. Maybe take a little risk, Gray Hatter, and then I'll take a bet. All right, setting up a good front-end architecture, blah, 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 multi-page project, blah, 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 great tools, blah, 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 blah. Ugh. Oh my God, it's so much. I don't know anything about SCSS. I feel like I should. What? Never? Well, that's not what I was planning on doing, but it's fine. I don't know. I will use input though. I don't want to use this. This is not what I need. No. No. Okay, got my root directory. Thanks for the obvious explanation, but I guess I shouldn't call it obvious. Maybe it's not. I don't
Bye.
know. Oh, it's like Chico, why are you leaving? Oh no. Oh, so soon? Oh, I'm not gonna chat GPT it. Bye, it's late Chico. Have a good night. Are callbacks a turn on? Like in improv? Like what do you mean? Are all right. Good night. Have a good night. What do you mean by that? Are callbacks a turn on? Can you say more? Can improv? Oh, callbacks. Like the functions. Okay, good morning then. Sorry, wrong way. This is fine, but I still okay. This is not, I feel like this is not what I was. This is fine. That's not, no, that is not the structure I was looking for. Maybe I don't need something more complex and I'll just start with this and stop like fretting over it. All right, fine, whatever. That's not what I'm used to, but that's fine. All right. So let's start with, so do we put it in tricky task? Let me think about this. So tricky task, let's just look at the file structure. So I do have task.py here. I'm not even sure what's in it. What is that? Cat task.py. What was I even doing here? I don't know what I see here. Excuse me. I think I can delete this. Okay. And then we also have images, environments, virtual environment, wireframe draft, and tasks. So do I put it in the same root? Does that matter? Probably not. Tricky task is the project, right? It's not like the, let's see. Oof. Oops. What is this ASCII? I don't know what this ASCII thing is. And whisk. I mean, I know what they are, but I don't remember. I know I should. I know I went through these gateway something. Asynchronous gateway index. Web synchronous. I know, piling. I'm sorry. I know. I know. I know what I did. Don't be mad. Can we just pretend? Look, now look, watch. Yay! I looked at all of them. I have a git ignore. It's fine. Yeah. Oh, it was absolutely too fast to be right. Oh, absolutely. That's why I did it off screen. Absolutely. I know. I didn't want you to see it. Ah, nice pale horse. Okay. All right. I'm going to ignore everybody in chat. And then I'm going to I think I'm going to build it within this. I don't think I want to decouple. I mean, it's fine. I'm just going to do you do like when you oops, Mm-mm. 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 No. Uh-uh. I'm not doing it. Uh-uh. Berate me later. All right. Like, should I call the I'm agonizing over something that's very unimportant, but it's really hard for me to just move forward because I'm like, okay, do I I just don't know what to call it. That's all. That means I have to go up. Okay, Benson. Nice. That's not only naming things. I don't want the CSS. Should the CSS folder be on this level, or should I put it in a front end root folder? I'm trying to like a subroot folder. So like I've got tricky task, which is the like Django app. I guess if I did the Django file structure, it would be here. So yeah, I mean, I don't think I'm going to listen to the let me tell you something NP4. That's not showing me something. That's like listening, and I don't know. I don't know. Are you just showing me source tree? Tree. What's tree though? All right, I'll look at this. So, what's TTF? Oh, is that a font thing? You just put it with your Zig stuff? This is confusing. I'm not really understanding what you tried to show me. Sorry. Hmm. Click that, and then what? Right? I know that. I know that. I don't need you to tell me that, but like, I mean, you can. I'm happy. I'm happy to hear it, but I don't. I know that. I'm not trying to run it that way. So the thing is, like, I. Okay, got you. I'm still not. This is not. I can't think like this. Or maybe I'm just tired. Bubbles! It's been so long. Well, Tricky Task is the root file. So it's not like I started the Django app is called Tasks. It's not called Tricky Task. So Tricky Task is the Git root. Snack time? I don't really want to eat this late. That's a good idea, but I had a bunch of snacks before I did this. Yeah, but you're right. I feel like I haven't gotten. No, I'm not going to make directory static. I'm not doing that. I'm not calling it static at the very least. And also, you don't, because I'm not going to call it static, even if it is static. I'm not going to insist. What? There's so many names. There are so many names. Hold on. I'm sorry. Hold on. What? Public is the one that I'm used to. But why not public? What's wrong with public? Why'd you say LOL? Okay. Public is a bad name. Fine. I feel like I'm not. Public is for something else. Let's see. Source is what I'm used to, but this doesn't. I don't want to do the same. What's this one? I'm just gonna, yeah, this is what I'm doing. It's gonna be hard though. I know this is gonna be a pain. It's fine. This is how I want you to do it, okay? Yes. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna do, you're gonna think I'm insane, but, and then I wanna do, I'm just gonna do this here for now. No, I'm not. No, I am. I am. I'm just gonna do it here for now. No, I'm not. Shit. Why, you crazy girl? What are you thinking? What is going on in your head? I think you think that you're nervous for some reason because you're supposed to be like front end developer and you're nervous because you don't want to be exposed as a fraud in front of everybody. And that's the real issue. This has nothing to do about where to put folders. Okay, I'm good. I don't, it's fine. Just, it's okay. I suppose I'm okay, but I just need a second. I just need a second. So then we're gonna do this. Awesome. Aha, no, it's okay. It's okay. I need a better skeleton than this, obviously. Okay. This is going to drive me a little bit crazy. I'm sure this is like a now I got to remember all these things. Car set equals UTF-8. I should probably just look this stuff up so I don't mess it up and I don't miss anything. I know, for real. This is always hand me your nerve. Sure, take it away. Here you are. Sorry, that's where they come from. Actually, a lot of times they're like here. Matter of fact, when I'm nervous, a lot of it is right here. It's like between this spot. Starts here, ends here. And this is like view. Don't I need to view something? Hold on. Let me just go hunt. I'll just cheat. I use Google's. Oh, that was right. Go me. Title. I'm going to call this home for now. Nothing big. I'm not one of those clever people who names things cool. Steal that template? Ooh, that's a good idea. Oh my God, that's a fantastic idea. Viewport. Yeah. The tab stop is bonkers. No, I'm not going to do that. It's fine. It's not a big deal. I don't mind typing it. It's good for me. I usually can just write this like sometimes I can write it by heart and then I just add stuff as I go. And I don't need a style sheet yet. I think I'm just going to write my styles in the sheet for now, so I'm not worried about it, and then I'll move them later. So we're going to need a body. Girl, look at that body. It's kind of, it's kind of driving me crazy. I ran 8 for years, liking 4 for most things now. Oh, I wonder, is that in VimRC? I remember back in the day. Yeah. No, except for the doc type J, but yeah, otherwise, yeah. I should be using MuVim Chad. What is that? Is this just the 8.8 tab stop? All right, so then we're going to look at my template, right? That's what we want to do. Let's do a thing today, y'all. Let's like finish a thing today. I feel like I could do this entire front end if I just focused sometimes. Like just if I just like stubbed this out even, it would not take that long. I am where am I? Yeah, even if I did this is just my task for now. gonna be fun. Really, really, really easy stubbed out thing, and then we'll add some like flair to it. I don't know if I want it to be a button, but we'll see. Oh, and I probably am not going to end up leaving these buttons, but we'll see. Gotta start somewhere. Gotta start with something. Stats, I'm gonna leave it broken. Can I do, if I do V, oh no, let's escape. And we'll do visual mode. We don't have to do visual mode. We can just yank. So hold on, let's see if I can do this better. So if I want to do 6, 7, 8, 9. So if I do 10K, no, that's up, silly girl. Okay, so if I do 10H, let's just do this, and then we do 12. Like I want to do 12 yank, and then move it down. Ten lines yanked. That's hilarious. Okay, 12. JHJKL. J is up, K is down, L. Okay, so if I want to do 12H, and then I do 12 yank K, L, and then I just do a P here. Okay, that didn't work. That's fine. I see. Okay, that's fine. That was close enough. That's what I wanted to do. But instead, I need to yank 13 probably, right? All right, now I'm going to look at chat. The default is line-wise. Tag, yit. Oh. Yank in tag? Wow. Cheat and use bookmarks. That's interesting. So if I do yank in tag, oh wait, sorry. Then what do I do? Paste? No, that's within the tag. BIT. Delete in tag. Then you, I see. Can't see the cursor. I see. Okay, sorry. So what I'm trying to do is copy the ID so I don't have to, so I can just, change this add to modify, which I could do, and then do modify. Oh, so if I do, okay, so if I do yank, I see. So if I don't want to yank, what? Escape. Yank in here? Oh, that's weird. And I do like a paste. That's interesting. So it goes to the front, but not the back. So if I do that, that's confusing a little bit. Okay. Mm, that's right. What's redo? Capital U? I don't know. Move the cursor before your target. I thought she wants to yank dot paste, then change in. That's right. That's right. Piling, you got it. Oh, that's irritating. So if I do yank into here, that's still gonna go from but the beginning. What if I did it here though? No, it's still going the right. So I'm doing it the wrong direction. Oh, I see. Cursor before. Cursor before. Undo. Got it. And then I need to just be before. Nope, that was right. Okay, got it. Okay. So if I do that and I do 4, same deal. Okay, have to. Is it still yanked? Is there like, no, it's not. Why is that true? Why is it still not yanked? So if I do yank, nope, stop it. If I do yank to this, move down, over, paste. Nope, don't paste twice. And I do change in here. Okay, then I do start time. And then I do stop it. Every time I do that. No. So that's interesting. It like yanks. Like when I did change in word, it almost does it differently. So like if I did, this is what's confusing. And then I do, no, see, I did it again. And then I do, then I do stats. Okay. Fine. This is fine. Overwrite my last yank. Okay, cool. It's still yanked, but it's in a different register. Well, it already did. I can still get to it. Okay. So there's um stat kabit sticks. Don't touch. Okay, how do I get out of it? Escape is fine. Keeps the 10 most recent. Oh, got it. I just press enter. Okay. It says press enter to commit or continue. So I was like nervous. All right. So we don't need to know what this looks like. We know what this looks like. What we want to do now is write this. And then what we're going to do, so that's the home page. I'm not sure that's going to stay the home page. So what I'm going to do is, follow my nose. And this is a single page application. That's not what I wanted. That's a good idea. I'll just grab some. I will circle back to it in the future. I'm just thinking right now. I don't have any front end anything. Oh, you know what I do? I actually do. That's funny. Do I not have anything from my server here? That's surprising. Ow. What made more sense in your mind? How's the new house? How's the new what? Are you teaching them wrong on purpose? Hold on. Hold on. Oh, X metrics. You're the worst type of person. Oh, congratulations. Enjoy your pool heater. This looks like hacker scenes in movies. Well, thank you for saying that, but it's really just a silly old app that I'm going to finish. It's going to be okay. It's just a silly old app. Kylie, but I learned it incorrectly and I still like it. Is it not like it's not mutually exclusive? Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna leave these in here actually. That was where I wanted to be. Okay, hold on. So we're gonna do. I don't think that's gonna end up being my home, so we're gonna rename it eventually. But for now, we'll just do a I don't know. It's fine for now. So this is going to be the most interesting thing I think right now because it's going to be sort of the first time I like use my own API to pull something into a front end. So let me think about this. So you're basically like if I were to oh, that's weird. Uh and then all the other ones, we'll keep it just like this for now. But then, so if I were to do this from scratch, I would put an API request in my, this might be tough because I'm using client side to call the API. Oh no, I don't have OCD. No, I'm a mess. I'm a hot mess. I'm a hot mess. Don't curse Python with React. I'm not going to use React. Wait, are you saying me? The hard way, but not the incorrect way? Because that's fair. A React-like framework for Python. Isn't PyScript like, well, I feel like PyScript is just JavaScript. I don't know if there's a, don't curse Python with React. Amen to that. Maybe you should add more boilerplate to your fancy HTML skeleton. Good point. Good point, Eileen. I'm like getting tired. But yeah, you're right. I should. Yeah, let's do that now because why not? Actually, let's go ahead and we're just gonna quit this because it's gonna be almost exactly the same to add the boilerplate. No rights and slash change. Yeah, I'm gonna do Q. Q. Shell returned 127. Well, that's cute. That's interesting. So I do. Okay. And then I want to do. All right. So let's go ahead and. I wish. Y'all, how. I don't know. How do I get to the point where I'm just like doing this at the beginning of streams so I can finish it? I think I just need to stream longer. Did I tell you guys I was starting a Pi Day raid? So on oh. That didn't do anything. A Pi Day, sorry, a Women's Guild Pi Day raid, so that I'll be starting it, so it's not like we'll get a big like we're sending the raid to like other people in the Women's Guild, and they're just a bunch of girl like women and non-binary who do STEM stuff, so it'll be really fun. We're gonna do a raid train in the Women's Guild. Am I what? A woman? Yes. Mm. You know what? I'm gonna use my own. Good idea. Sure. There we go. This is my own boilerplate. I mean, I'm sure it's everybody's boilerplate, but it will help me the most. We're gonna do meta. That doesn't say meta. Oh no, it hasn't worked. It works the first time and then doesn't work at all. I don't really need to do that. I'm going to anyway. It's fine. You know, whatever. This feels good. This feels like home. Okay. I probably just don't need this one. Actually, I'm gonna just take it out. It's too like silly for this. First and 50 Pi Day cookies. Ooh, I should make cookies. The context drift is surreal sometimes. Sorry. Should do a Tau Day train. Tau raid train. Be fun. 6/28 is a Friday this year. Oh, that would be nice. All right, let's keep going. Oh, stop it. There we go. My tab stop is really far forward. This is just, I don't want to put a description in here. I'll add it specifically to the thing. I want to do this. Thanks for the Lurkax. Adulting is very difficult. Although I hate calling it adulting, to be honest. Oh yeah, let's do this. Why not? All right, so I'm just adding. I don't need this. I don't even have an apple. Let's not do this. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that. Get a title. And the title is going to be nothing. I'll just add one. And then let's see what else I need. I don't need a style sheet right now, but I might add one. And then we'll do the end of the head. Oh, that's funny. I never started it. Okay. And then we'll do body. There we go. All right. This feels a little bit better. That feels a little bit better. I don't like how wide it is. Kind of the wrong size for stream. There we go. That's better. The perfect HTML5 boilerplate? No, this is a boilerplate I use at work. As a matter of fact. No. Maybe it's perfect. I don't know. Repeats your previous command. Oh. That's cool. So if my previous command was right quit, then I'm good to go. All right, so now what we want to do is we want to create the task list.html or dumb endpoint names. All right, brilliant. Oh, actually do this. So let's do title and then enter. And then we're going to do change in tag and say task list, all tasks, I think, all tasks. And then, well, now I get it. Nobody would tell me. I escape to put in the slash. Hold on. You know what repeats your previous command. Dot. Oh. Wow. Okay. Then B to go to the front. B. Okay. And then I slash. Oh. I see. Okay, so if I want to do, so let's say I want to do, let's do change in, nope, escape. We're going to do change in tag, and then we're going to write H1. Then we're going to do what you said. Oh, that didn't work. Escape and then repeat. Oh, that didn't work either. Oh, that didn't work. Why didn't it work? I think I messed it up. Did I save it? So if we do, interesting. Okay, well, that's fine. So I did change in tag again, and then I do H1, close. Then I escape. I feel like escape messes me up. It worked, but Oh, because I did change in tag. I see. So if I just do escape, undo, undo, and instead I just insert and I do H1, close, then I do escape, and then I do repeat the previous thing. Okay, that's not, I'm gonna undo that, move over, repeat the previous thing, go to the beginning, insert slash, and then escape. I am learning Vim. So now I want to do this, and that's fine. And I'm going to say big ass list of tasks. So the only thing I want to do in here is create a script. I'm going to tpopesendwise.vim. No idea. No, it wasn't too much of a distraction at all. That was perfect. It's a perfect time for me to learn a thing when I'm doing a thing. All right, so I've got the big ass list of tasks. So at the end of every, so I'm gonna make a, okay, so the tasks come in as a list. I'm going to, I'm trying to think of whether I want to, I don't think I want a UL. Yeah, right. Yeah, but I don't think I want a UL. I'm trying to think of, hey, Crunk Master. Is that a name? I feel like I shouldn't say that. Crunk seems like a very bad word. I don't know though. So vibes, if you type vibes and then a sentence, it'll give you vibes. I do, and then I just get lost. But so the list needs to be populated by the API. So call it, parse it, wrap them, use CSS. All right, I'm gonna trying to think of if I wanted to basic structure in HTML, and then tell my code to repeat the structure, or just like, oh yeah, that's true, it did. Crank up. Oh, that's awesome. Crunk master, that's awesome. Don't even know what it means to be. Hey, Shandu, I don't think I said hi to you. I'm gonna say it now. Did I? I feel like I did not. Next, next thing. Why do I always stay up so late? So next thing, I want to do, I think I need to just decide how I'm going to do it. Like whether I'm going to call the API and populate it with like create elements, or if I'm going to use a basic structure and just show the top 10 or start a table. I don't know. I'm not sure what I want to do here. Because I could use like some pretty easy, simple packages. I guess if I just show them for now, if I just show them, maybe I'll just call the API and just show it, right? So if I want to do that, what does that look like? Oh, I should have just done what I was doing before. My bad. So how do I do this? Source? So what do I do? Create a function, and I would call the API. I can't remember what. Ajax. I need to think about this a little bit. Okay. I need to think about how I want to do this a little bit, my front end, which is good. I wasn't. And I'm going to, yeah. Well, let's just do this. Interesting. Why isn't it? Interesting. Can you add a directory? Yes, you can. All right. Aim. Ba-da-doo, ba-da-doo. We're gonna close that. All right, y'all. So I have to do some thinking. And I think when I tackled this in the first place, there is sort of like I haven't really, this is going to be weird. I mean, I have I? So I haven't really, like, I guess I have. I'm not finishing my sentence. I don't think I've like called an API with a basic JavaScript, like basic JavaScript code in an HTML file. I don't think it would be difficult. It would be like but I'm not sure how to handle it. Like maybe if I think I'm a little tired. I think is what happens. And I know that I wanted to like play games at the beginning of stream. So I'm sort of in this like weird, like, I'm sleepy kind of mode. So I think I'm going to quit. Even though I didn't get a lot done, and I apologize for that. Next time I'm going to hit like the HTML files really quick, like bang them all out, just like the skeletons. And then after I have the skeletons, I'll build the JavaScript behind it that calls the APIs, because I'll have a clear picture of like what that's supposed to look like. literally would not take that long, but I know I'm like scared. I'm really scared. I'm like scared to do this in front of you. Legit terrified. And I'm not scared of very many things. So, so I just have to like, I am though, mixed nuts. I am. Sometimes like this would take me like 5 minutes off screen. I know. It would take me like 5 minutes off screen. But like on screen, I'm like, they can't know that I can't do this. So I'm telling you that I haven't done it directly. Or I have and I just don't remember. You want me to do it on YouTube? It's so you know what, maybe it is good enough to put on YouTube. Maybe it is like, hey, have you ever wanted to very beginner skill, but it's a good idea. I mean, I've definitely called APIs with like but mostly I use jQuery and Ajax, and I don't want to do that. Someone's gonna be like, why don't you want to use jQuery? I just don't. I want to use like JavaScript as is. It is, yeah. And I think it's more about being tired than it is about, well, that helps mix nuts, actually. Super. That actually does really help. All right, you know what? Let's do it. Fuck it. Yeah, but let's do it. All right, let's walk through it. Because, like, why am I nervous, right? Take a deep breath. I closed my terminal, but I didn't have to. Let's try it. Let's just do this. What we're going to do is we're going to work on calling, and maybe we'll need like a little bit of help, a little bit of Stack Overflow. Jesus. Don't stop what you're doing. Stop it. Stop it. But that's my OBS. That's funny. I'm just going to do this. Stop it. Stop. Okay. This is what I want. My terminal. Okay. And where do you live? Where did you go, terminal? Where'd you go? Oh, I already opened it. It's over here. All right, we're going to do this. All right, WSL. Lazy Lucas, how are you doing? All right. I know it does get nerve wracking sometimes, and it's not, yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. But being brave is important. So I'm going to be brave. I'm just going to do it. So we're going to go to, we're just going to go to the interwebs, and we're going to say basic JavaScript API call. All right. So pre-code camp. I know we all hate. Let's try to do the MDN request. Okay, I don't think we need any credentials right now, which isn't great. We'll obviously want to do that. Axios, I'm just gonna do vanilla. I've used Axios with Vue before, which is like what I am saying. Like I've called APIs before from within a Vue application. Why like am I struggling so hard to just do it in a basic HTML? And it's just because I'm 100 away, 2,900, whoop whoop. Thanks XB67 and Rocky B, and you too, Lazy Lucas. I know I said thank you, but you're right. I am 100 away from 3,000. And Crunkmaster. Aw, hugs. Thank you. All right, so yeah, I've done this, like, I've done fetch requests before, but like they're not second nature, right? They were second nature when I was doing them before I really understood them because I just wrote them. But now that I like know more of what I'm doing and I'm doing the API that I want, then it just becomes a little different, you know. So we just want to get request for the list of tasks that we have. And right now we only have one task, so it's not going to be a big deal. I don't think. So in the following snippet, we create a new request using the request constructor. Perfect. Very simple. And we're going to, it probably defaults to a get request. And then we'll go ahead and return what we have. Hey, Daver, how are you doing? Yeah, me too, MM. I really like just doing regular JavaScript. I think that a framework is great when you have a large enough app that you have a lot of people working on it. And so you need standards to sort of keep everybody in the same coding structure. I think that's good, a good thing. But I think when it's just one person, it's different. I like using Vue by myself. And if you want to like have your, if you want anyone ever to work on your app like later, it's a good idea to have some either direction about what connections they make, or I feel like I'm beginner splaining. So okay, let's go. All right, so we're going to open up Trixie and we're going to neovem into our task list. So this is task/list.html. And basically, all right, so I'm going to throw this in the script. Do I just want to make it a constant? I'm not sure yet. So if we do const, or do I want to write it as a function? I probably want this to be a function. Yeah, so we're going to, let's write it as a constant. All right, our request equals a new request. Do we need to, is this space JavaScript? Probably. The request interface of the fetch API represents a resource request. Create a new request object using the request constructor, but you're more likely to encounter a request object being returned as a result of another API operation, such as a fetch. Oh, such as a service worker. I see. And I think this is what I was nervous about. This is the thing that I was like, I wonder if I should put something between my front end and my API. Not really, but like, but this like a service. I really think services are one of the biggest missing architectural elements of back end and front end. And I think like the more people use services, the better. So you're not typing off the edge of the terminal. Okay. All right, cool. So we're doing a new request, and we're gonna request HTTPS / this is it 198 or is it, oh, it's 127.0.0.1 / 8080? No. Is that what it is? And then slash task list. Help. If I don't see it as a problem yet, it can be tough to tell me what to do. All right, so we're doing just the full task list. We actually should probably have the here. Then we're going to do escape. Okay. Then we're going to handle the request. For right now, I think I just want to console log it. Because it's going to, so the method is going to default to get, or at least it should. What is this guy? This is interesting. So request.url. They're just going to give us the URL. The method, which should be get, and the credentials. Okay, but we don't need credentials right now. You could then fetch this request by passing the request object in as a parameter to fetch. So this is like the fetch service. Okay. I need to read more MDN. All right, so we're going to do O, and then what is going on? Why are the tab thing, I think, is what I would want to fix next. Oh, I see. That's a good point. So let's just do go in here, and then we're going to do escape, and then we're going to do, I don't want to change a word. Oh, let's see this. Did that work? That didn't work. So if I did, oh, let's just go to, let's see if we could do, set tab stop. And then I do delete. How do I delete one word? Okay, so then I do 80. Okay. And then you were saying set. Okay. But that's not going to get me. Unknown option. Set. Tab stop. Got you. Okay. Okay. So now, if I, right, so we're gonna write fetch request. I don't know if that's working. It's fine. Like, what even is that? That's not 5. That's still like 8. It's not working. It's fine. All right, so if we fetch request. Oh my gosh, are you seeing what is happening? It is horrifying. Should I just do 1 instead? Like, maybe it's not, it's moving 4 over. I don't think it's moving 4 spaces. I think it's moving 4 tabs. No, look, no, that's not right. I mean, what I said, it wasn't right. But then if I like move, it's driving me insane. Oh, okay, so we're gonna do this. And this is response. Put it into response. Look at this nonsense. Why is it so far over? This is awful. Put blob into what? Image source? I don't need an image source. That's not what I want at all. This is not a blob. I don't need a blob. This is not a good example. Crazy thing. Let's just I'm just gonna do this. And we'll inspect it. Oh my gosh, are you seeing this? I'm totally willing to fix this, Filing. I cannot. I can code like this, but it's driving me insane. Thank you for empathizing, XB67. This looks so silly. Yeah, but when I push enter, like this is what it's doing. I don't even know. Like, why is this bothering to go to the next line? Wait a minute. There's a way I can get this to the previous line, and we did it last time, and I don't remember what it was. It was great though. It was like yank up or no, that wasn't it. It was like some cool like J something. Whatever. It's fine. Joy lights, that's right. It's Shift J. That's not what it did. It like hold on. Oh my gosh, no. There we go. All right. All right, so we're just gonna do a quick. I'm trying to remember how we want to. So then, so this does end up being served the wrong way, and is that right? I don't know. It's just the browser, so like why? Okay, and then this. Ugh, hate this. I need this over here. Can I just have you move somewhere else? Dr. Wright. Is anybody else Dr. Wright? Try this again. Okay, so that didn't call anything. There is a GET request. It did not work. Because, why? Let's check MDN. Stop covering your mouth. You're a streamer, you weirdo. Okay. I use Helix more than Vim, so I forgot the Vim bindings. I use everything more than Vim, so I forget all the things. All right. So my fetch isn't working because, is it because, no. Sure. So let's see. I love that y'all can, like hear it. I just want to get requested. It should be. Should I just do return response.data? Is that what's happening? It's just giving me 200 and it's like, yo, you're not asking me to output anything. Okay, yeah, actually that makes sense. Response, if response, this is a good, all right, so let's do, man, this is the time, this is the moment, you know, I mean, I get it and I'm learning. I'm going to be easy on myself. So please don't be mad at me for like saying this, but like, wait a minute. It's not even, hold on. Let's see this for a second because I see an issue. Type that into console log response, but it's not. It's like basically like not waiting for it or something. What's happening? It's because do I want to wait for the document to load before I do this? So should I do DOM content loaded? Like function? I'm not sure. I'm thinking. All right. Otherwise, why isn't it logging the response? It might be not. All right. So we're going to do this nonsense. So then I say if response dot status equals 200. Oh, then do a thing. But I don't think that's the issue. I think it would do that thing anyway. Yeah, Omniplex. Hilarious. Okay. I think me Omniplex is teasing. But maybe not. Okay. You know what I'm really good at? People. Maybe that's what I should stick to. Confidence is waning. It's okay. All right. All right. You can do it. Fine. This is driving you insane, but that's fine. Throw new error. Oh my gosh, are you all seeing this? How terrible this is? I'm not gonna copy what they said. Fix it. What is even happening? This is making me insane. Maybe I already am insane, but that's what I thought. That's what I thought. I'm pretty hungry now. True dat, Benson. True dat. I'm just typing. Watch this. I just typed. I was just typing. I'm not doing. Yes, let's fix it. Let's fix it, Piling. I'm ready. Let's fix It's not working. All right, so what did the following things say? Set tab stop. Set tab stop. They say set tab stop. I did that. Oh, I see. You want, okay. Sorry, I understand what you're saying. Set tab stop. Or, what are you even, zero. Set soft tab stop is 0. Bigger. What is Helix? I'm mostly paying attention to piling, but. Sorry. Ah, cool. Yeah, I feel like you might be delayed. 0 piling, it says 0. The soft tab stop was 0. I'm not doing great with this music. I need something else. Experimental. Okay, I didn't get anything to add to my. Okay. Got it. Okay, so you're saying. I got you. I got you. Okay, let's open this. So then you're saying add tab stop. Tab stop equals 4. Soft tab stop equals 0. And then you said shift width equals 4. First do tab stop / tab stop. Oh, that's a good idea. You said expand tab to equals 4. Why did I press Control F? That's it. Wait a minute. Oh. It's just these two. That's all it is. All right. And then expand tab equal 4. Okay. All but expand tab to 4. Sorry. I see. So leave it off or just add nothing? Got it. Got it. Shift width, is that right? I think that's not right. Oh, it is shift width. Great. Okay. So if we go and we do, oh, you're right. You're right, I do. See, is there any way I can do this? Like set it for the first like 4 lines? Be interesting. So let's just do it here and we'll type set and then we'll do what you were saying, right? I want to do, if I escape and then I repeat what I just did, that's this. Okay, great. And then if I do for age dot, got it. Okay. Awesome. Oh, I did use dot mm and I didn't even, I will insert spaces instead of actual tabs. All right. So now if we quit this and we go into task list, like how the hell do I fix this? Tab stop equals 4. Still kind of weird. I don't know. Whoops. Okay. GGVG and then equals, or do I need the colon? GGVG colon. Okay, I got you. And now what? Equals. Thanks, AMC Max. Welcome on in. Oh, and Sean. Full name. Okay, escape. So I do GGVG equals. I don't know what's going on. Try GGVG equals, or do I write try? So in the new file, oh, I did it right. Why is it like so funky still? Oh, I know. So this is the issue. Oh, okay, I'm not gonna stay up all night. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna go to bed pretty soon. But I don't think I'm gonna go to bed before I honestly like really want to play Balatro on stream. I think it's funny, but like I really want to. Resourcing. Okay. Don't know what. Oh, I see. Source. Error detected while processing home chrissycodes.vimrc. Can't open the file user share nvim runtime defaults.vim. Good night, Algo. Okay, enter. So let's see, what did we type? That's what I typed. Is that wrong? All right. Um, um, I don't know. I think I started, I don't remember what config file I'm getting so tired, you guys. I want to fix this and then I'm like super tired. I do remember doing something, but with my vimrc last time, but I can't remember what it was. I couldn't find the file defaults.vim. Yeah, we have defaults.vim somewhere else, I think. I wonder if we are doing the wrong file. I created a defaults.vim, didn't I? I think I did, but maybe it wasn't here. Maybe I put it at a different, okay. No so %. No substitute. Oh. Sorry. This does feel like the right one though. Hold on, let me look at something. Source this page. Okay, so I do source. Oh, that's what you're saying. Source this page. That's what it means. I press enter. I feel like it's not under runtime. I feel like my defaults.vim is somewhere else. Do you want me to look at my, this is, well, is this Vim? This is, I don't know. NeoVim. This is NeoVim. Open in Vim. Hey, Monkey Man, how you doing? I do need sleep. Let's use Vim. All right. This is Vim. Get push, get paid. Defaults.vim. Okay. Okay. All right, that seemed to work. Vim, I see Vim if I run that. Vim stuff. That's funny, Benson. Oh, interesting. But I feel like but my set numbers are working in NeoVim. So that means there's something else going on. I can look at it later if we want. All right, open the HTML file in Vim. Shoot. Huh. That was weird. I don't know. Something must be like, oh wait, but if I do the, hold on, let's do the GG VG equals. Still no. What? You can't see what it said? It said I had an, okay. It's an HTML file. This is Vim, not NeoVim, yeah. What it said was that it was the wrong undo file. I'll probably get the same message if I do it in NeoVim, honestly. No. No, never mind. I don't know. It is weird behavior. Super weird behavior. Like something is happening. Oh, well, first of all, oh my goodness, are you kidding me? Hold on, y'all. Wait a minute. Does it have to be? There we go. Maybe the issue is me. Come on. And the reason this is going crazy is because it thinks it's one line. All right, so let's try one more time. If we do, and then we do equals. Well, it's better, but it's still not great, especially the else throw new error fix it, because I lost the end of my fix it, but right. Source percent. Okay. I'm scared. Indentation is chaotic evil. Absolutely. This is terrifying. What did I press? Oh, Benson, I know. I need to sleep. Yeah. I know that. I know that. I'm just trying to finish this so that I don't have to deal with this next time. That makes sense. New file. Well, that's okay. Why does Piling have ads? Piling as a sub. What is wrong with the world? It doesn't look like it, but I'm not doing any script. Like that's JavaScript. So that's a good point. Open last. finally wrap my head on something real. I like the way that feels. Yeah, I did already, and I didn't get anything wonky. Than I ever knew myself. All the pieces, pieces of me. I don't know what's going on. This seems fine. Something simple? Oh. Hey Tapper, how you doing? Nothing right now on Godblade. We just tried to fix an HTML file. I think it worked, but I can't really tell. Debugging Vim indentation, yeah. I don't know. Anga, the other HTML files just has weird indents. I don't know what's going on. Okay. Hey Jay Walter, how you doing? I don't have any drops, silly. I should though. That's fine. What is my subsystem based on? WSL. Ubuntu. I should. Right on top. Oh. Mm-hmm. Okay. Is go to bed a thing? No. I've been trying Lazy Vim, but there's always something unexpected that happens. I moved it. I just pressed enter after. I see. I gotcha. Yeah, I gotcha. Just delete the line? Okay, got you. It's like she's like literally half asleep. No, it's okay. If piling is keeping me here, it's because it's important. Or someone has taken piling over and is making me do things. But this is really just because it's so bad. The tabs are so bad. I feel like I delete till the end. Fair point, Benson, but I don't think that's what. I think piling is just wants to test. So now open NeoVim. Text editor have to be in the command line. I really like it. Exit. Okay. Exit WSL. Oh, do you think I'm editing the? Do you think I'm editing the exit again? Exit what? What? Like close my terminal? I'm as far as up as they go. Exit my terminal. Oh, close my terminal. Okay. Loud. Are you making me go to bed, piling? Got you. I just want to fix the tab stops. I think I did on that one file. Close all and other windows. Okay, everything's closed. Well, not really. I'm not closing OBX or anything. But at this point, oh, my nerves. Oh, thank you. Take back my nerves and take them to bed. Oh, you're so bossy. I don't like that. Oh, no. And no, that's my control. That's in my control. I certainly will go to sleep. I certainly will. But like, come on. That's not fair. I don't think J Walter Bot is in here. Did you not start it up, J Walter? Tie it to my No. Okay, got it. So I have a backup so I can mess with the new MRC. I know. I understand, Benson. I know. Give me a hot minute. So the only person on I can raid is Grim right now. Or that's probably not true. There are probably new people, but let's just raid Grim because it's fun. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on, wait a minute. Are there lots of people? Open AI scientists? Do you know Pranay, you guys? It doesn't matter. We'll just read Grim. You do, Piling? Should I raid Pranay? Is that a good idea? If the defaults, it might be adding a little bit of headache. I did get tired. I was already tired tonight. It's gonna be hard because I might want to play a game and I'm just gonna have to go to bed. Okay, I gotcha. It's been a while. All right, y'all. Let's go raid. Let's go do a thing. What game? Oh, Balatro. If you guys want to stick around, I'll play for a little while because I can play until I'm tired. Oh, okay. All right. So nobody wants to everybody's like, go to sleep, Chrissy. We love you. It was made for me, yeah. Very, very beginning. I kind of do though. I kind of do want to play. I'll play a different day. That's what we'll do. I don't know. We'll see. I don't ever commit to that because I can only stream on Thursdays consistently, but all right. All right, let's get out of here, y'all. Get out of here. I know. I am very tired. I'm very tired. All right. I will talk to you all later. Ooh, 69 viewers. We can do it. Let's read with 69, y'all. Very fun. Okay, bye. Love you.